Welcome to Arizona State University's University Academic Success Programs. This is a topic video for the topic U-Substitution.
What is U-Substitution?
U-Substitution is a method for integrating and finding antiderivatives, and it is essentially a way of unwinding the chain rule. There are many integrals that can't be solved using the rules of integration that we have already learned, so that's when we would use the U-Substitution method. The U-Substitution method can be used when we can express an integral in this form. We can then set the function g of x equal to u, and evaluate the integral of f of u du. Once we solve the integral containing u, we can substitute the value for u back into our answer.
Can we try out an example problem?
Definitely. Here, we have a problem asking us to integrate cosine of x squared times 2x dx. In this problem, f of x, the outside function, would be the cosine, and x squared would be g of x, the inside function. If we were to take the derivative of g of x, it would be 2x, which is also a part of the integral that we are calculating. If we set u equal to x squared and take the derivative of u, we will get 2x dx. We can then reorganize our integral in this way, making it easier to find our integral. We can now evaluate the integral. We can get our final answer of sine of x squared by reinserting g of x where u is present. Let's try out another U-substitution problem. Here, we have a problem asking us to integrate the square root of 7x plus 9. 7x plus 9 is inside of a square root, which can be treated as a separate function. Let's set 7x plus 9 equal to g of x, and the square root of x equal to f of x. We want to set g of x equal to u because it is inside the function f of x. Now that we have found our value for u, we want to find the value for d of u. If we derive 7x plus 9, we will get 7 dx.
Wait, but in our original integral, dx is not multiplied by 7?
That is true. Now what we want to do is isolate dx. So we divide both sides of the equation by 7 to get 1/7 du equal to dx. Now we can substitute u and 1/7 du into our original integral to get the integral of the square root of u times 1/7 du. Next, we can bring the 1/7 outside of the integral. This becomes an easy integral to solve when we remember that the square root is the same as taking something to the 1/2 power. Integrating this, we will get 1/7 times 2 over 3 u to the 3 over 2 power. Simplifying this and substituting 7x plus 9 in for u, we will get our final answer of 2 over 21, 7x plus 9 to the 3 over 2 power.
Okay, I think I understand this all. But just to be sure, let me go over what I have learned today. To use the U-substitution method, we have to set some part of the function we are integrating equal to u. We then have to find a value of du that we will be using to integrate the function. We substitute the value for u and du into the function. Once we integrate the function, we can then substitute the original value for u back into the function to get the final answer.
That all sounded right. You understand this topic so well, you should be the teacher.